Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I got too many queries regarding background verification and onboarding pass. So in this video I am going to take some of your queries like how to open the One Cognizant portal in mobile, and second one is like in One Cognizant portal background verification shows completed, but in mobile milestone it shows only 50%. So did we get our onboarding pass or not? And third one is your BGV turns into in progress status from completed status in portal. So what does it means? And the fourth one is your date of joining is already missed due to onboarding pass not generated, so what to do now? And the fifth one is when can one expect next date of joining after onboarding pass not generated before your date of joining? So I am going to solve all these queries, and if you have any further queries related to background verification and onboarding pass, then you can comment out in the comment box. So let's begin. So coming to your first queries, that is how to open One Cognizant portal in mobile. So see guys, this portal is not open in all the browser like Chrome and Google and all. It only open in some certain browser like Redmi browser or Vivo browser. So if you want to open this portal, you have to click on this link. I will paste this link in the comment box, or you can check out my description also. So if it will open in your mobile, then you can comment it in the comment box like it is open in my Redmi browser or my Vivo browser. You can comment out, okay, so that everyone can be benefited. So I hope that it will clear to you. Now coming to the second queries, that is in One Cognizant portal your background verification shows completed, but in mobile milestone it shows only 50%. So did you get onboarding pass or not? So see guys, here mobile milestone means that you are opening from browser, that is mobile. Okay, so when you open that One Cognizant portal from browser, so it will look something like this. Okay, so here your offer acceptance is 100%, that is you have accepted your offer letter, and then background verification is also 100%. It means that your background verification is fully completed, and in your pre-joining formalities it is also 100%. So these all are the milestone that shows along with the process. So suppose someone is wait, so see someone is getting like this, that their in portal their background verification is completed, but in mobile it shows only 50%. So see guys, it says that data has been sent for approval. It means that it is in under approval process. Okay, your pre-joining formalities is completed because you have completed all these pre-joining formalities. So in this you don't have to do anything, so it will shows that it is completed 100%, but it background verification it is only 50%. It means that your data is under approval process. Okay, it will not already get approved. So once it is approved and you received your date of joining, so this background verification turns into 100. And suppose if any other documents is required, then it again turns into incompleted or 50%. Okay, so that's why you will get getting 50% only completed. So once you get your date of joining, and then you will only get this 100% completed. Okay, so I hope that it is clear to you. Now coming to that the third queries, that is your BGV turns into in progress status from completed status in portal. So what does it means? So see guys, I already told you that your background verification is only turns into in progress because they want some documents like your UG mark sheet is not as per requirements, or it may be the gap reason from date from your under graduation to the date of joining that you received. So it will ask about that also. So in that section you have to just fill that I am waiting for date of joining, or preparing for placement and waiting for date of joining. Okay, so in gaps section you can add that reason also. Okay, and if any other documents they wanted to upload it again, then you can upload it again in that way. Okay, so let's move to the next query, that is your okay, I'm done with this. So next query is that my date of joining is already missed due to onboarding pass not generated. So what to do now? So see guys, due to some technical issue your date of joining is missed. So don't worry, you will get another date of joining. Okay, so don't worry, you will get that. So now coming to the next query, that is when one can expect next date of joining after onboarding pass not generated. So see, you can expect your next date of joining only after 20 to 21 days. Okay, you can you will get within 20 or 21 days. So I hope that you will get next date of joining within 21 or 21 days. So don't worry, you have to just wait. And meanwhile you can write your queries to the agency OB support team or background verification, that is BGB help desk team. Okay, so I hope that it is clear to you. If you have any further queries related to this, so you can comment out in the comment box. And if you didn't join our Telegram group, then you can join also. So thank you all of you. We will meet you in the next video.